Good morning, class 12th. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Everybody is good at your home. You all are doing well. So many of you have asked me the questions at how to do the holidays homework. So I'm here to tell you, page wise I'm going to describe you how you are going to do that. Okay, so let's start. So on the very first I have given you a novel to read. Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone by J.K. Rowling. So I hope you all must have understand that why I have given you the novel. Just to improve your reading habits, as well as sometimes you people found boring reading chapters. So that's why I have given you the novel so that you can read it, and I think you might find it interesting. And also there's no need to buy the novel. You can get it from internet. There is no problem. So there's a chapter wise summary may be there. So find it out on some websites. So what you have to do is on some apps. So what you have to do is you have to write a book review. Book review means what you have grasped from that novel, from that chapters, what you have how many new words you have learned from there. So what should you do? That is, on the very first page you have to make a content page. On the second page you can make an impressive file, or you can use a diary to write the book review. You can decorate the cover page. And what you have to do is, on the second page you have to write the introduction, that what you are going to explain, then the short summary of the whole the novel, and then commentary on the main characters. The characters you found out, obviously Harry Potter is the main character, so you have to explain what kind of person he is in the novel. Then number 5 is the plot. You have to explain the plot, on what is the basic plot of the theme of the novel. And then at the end you have to find out some things about J.K. Rowling, and you have to write it about the writer. Now you have to prepare a file of writing skills. You should prepare it on A4 sized color sheets. As all the stationery shops are open, you can go and buy some colored sheets from there, and you can prepare that. That is what you have to do is, first page should be the content page. You have to write 5 notices of your own choice. I'm not giving you any specific questions of mine. Next is the advertisements. These topics are those topics which we have already covered in the class. So invitations, that should be 3 in number. Letters, different type of letters you can choose. Business letters, letters to editors, you have to write 5 letters. And then 3 articles. Articles you can choose from the questions I have given you in the class. So now let's get creative. Creativity is that the more you use, the more you have. Creativity, I have given something to creative to do just because that we all are getting bored at our homes. So we have to use our innovation and positivity, and so that we can create something good. That is, so you all have to write your lockdown diaries. Indeed, we know that this pandemic is really difficult. This time is very difficult. So everyone, what you have learnt during this lockdown, how you can value money, time, your essential commodities, and how you have reduced your requirements, or either you have learned something new, painting, using best out of waste material and creating something best, gardening, poetry writing, anything, any habit you have developed, even cooking. If you have helped your parents, you can make click a picture, get a printout from that any either printer and from the either any from anywhere. So you have to paste it there, and impressive cover should be there, and you can explain your lockdown experiences. So now do it yourself. That is DIY section. Best out of waste, you can use old CDs, old boxes, paper, crafts, reuse old bottles and clay art. This again I have given you that I know nobody can study for around for continuously 10-12 hours. So you need a break. So for that break you can use your creativity, your energy in a positive way. So here are some examples. That is that old glass bottle arts, jute art and paper art, even the paintings. You can do whatever you want, and I need two DIYs from your side. Thank you so much, and thank you for listening. Do the work as per the instructions, and I hope your all queries are solved. But if you still find anything difficult, I'm repeating again, please feel free to ask me. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay healthy and stay safe.